What's going on? Buttery Workshop back with another episode. Today we're back at the Wrentham Premium Outlets in Wrentham, Mass. We're gonna hit up the New Balance store, try to make it over to the Nike store, try to make it over to the Polo Ralph Lauren store, and as always, trying to find hidden gems for the low. So let's go find them. Guys, check it out. We got the Stray Rats New Balance 574 in this grape and raspberry colorway. They're for $105 plus additional 30% off. Also got the Oscar the Grouch green with the little Kelly green hit on there too. It's kind of hard. Shout out to Stray Rats for getting the New Balance collab. And then y'all know I love this colorway here. Just like my Patagonia jacket with that purple and red, it just rings off so crazy. Again, here for $100. Oh, so this colorway, $5 more than these two. We also got the Stray Rats 580s. The 580s super popular, especially in Japan. They kind of kept the 580 alive, but here for $150. Also got a few colorways of the 550 low, which ALD has played a pivotal role in bringing back to the forefront. Here for $90 across the board. Besides this white, black, and red colorway, which honestly is probably the weakest out of all of these. So it's funny that these are 110 and all the rest are 90, and these are arguably better than this colorway. So I have some 1500s made in England, navy blue, classic gray colorway, both here for $140. It's got the black pair with the leather. Ooh, with a little tweed. Oh yeah, I'm doing great, thank you.
Awesome. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Definitely, thank you. Let's look at the 991. Yeah, these are fire, but for $240. Ooh, I don't know. Got the 993s. Excluded from the promo, of course, but these are too clean. Look at that suede. Also got the murdered out black pair here for $175 as well, and the 990s. Listen, New Balance, I got a space in my heart. It's a local company, and I'm just happy for them. I'm happy for them. But let's keep rocking. Buttery Workshop gang, we ended up stopping in the Gucci store. Yeah, they got a Gucci outlet store. And look at these Gucci kicks we found. It sort of looks like a classic tennis sneaker in the true sense of the word. Now, I normally don't wear white sneakers, but these are just clean. I got them on my foot right now. And I need y'all to guess. Y'all know we're always looking for hidden gems. We're always looking for the hidden gems. And these are here for $240. So drop a comment down below. Let me know if y'all think I'm gonna cop them or not. Let me know. So just so y'all know, these were originally $475. So we're looking at pretty substantial savings, around $235. So almost 50% off. But here's what they look like on foot. And let me know. Like I said, I don't usually wear all white sneakers. Dang, they look ugly as from the top, but they're kind of hard from the side, right? Let me know what y'all think. Here's a few other pairs that they have here. They have the Adidas and Gucci collab gazelles with that vintage Gucci G logo, or I should say all over print. It's like a soft suede. These are here for $425. And these are also made in Italy. So you could get a made in Italy version of Adidas Gazelles if you are an Adidas head. I personally like this pair a lot more, but these materials don't feel premium like a Gucci sneaker. I can't even lie to y'all. Like, these were made in Italy, but they don't feel like it. and they're here for $4.25. So they're here for double the price, damn near double the price of the sneakers that I'm thinking about getting. I don't know, the math is a little bit different. I also like these though too. Now, Gucci sneakers could be a little bit gaudy, you know, a little bit on the flashier side, but if you wear it with like the Patagonia, some sweats, like just dress it down, it could be a real good look. It could be a real good look. All right, gang, we just left the store. We got a good little number of things here, but y'all think I actually went through and copped the Gucci kicks? I had to, y'all. 240 is too good of a deal. 240 is too good of a deal, and we gonna walk right out the store with them. You know what I'm saying? They just fit the vibe. You know what I'm saying? They fit the vibe tonight. Guys, just got back to the crib. Ended up spending a little bit longer in the Gucci store than we anticipated, so I wasn't able to make it to the Nike store. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. As always, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you saw anything that you would have copped. Let me know if you saw anything that you would not have copped. And let me know if you saw anything in the background that I should have paid more attention to. Also wanted to say this. We always go to Burlington. We're always looking for hidden gems for the low. We're always looking for deals. And that applies to everything across the board. Of course, there are certain things that you have to pay full price on. Like we know. Certain things you just gotta, if you want it bad enough, and this is the only way for you to get it, pay full price. But if there is a deal out there to be had, you're only playing yourself by not jumping on it. You know what I'm saying? But if you like this kind of videos, definitely subscribe. It's what we do here on this channel. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.